If you need your account number, transit number, or institution number for direct deposit, setting up bill payments, or linking another bank account, I'll show you exactly where to find them in the Wealthsimple app. It only takes a few seconds, and I'll also show you where to download your void check. Let's get started. First, open the Wealthsimple app on your phone. Once the app loads, you'll land on the home screen where all of your accounts are displayed. From here, find your checking account and tap on it. Make sure you're selecting the checking account since these banking details are tied specifically to that account. After opening the account, look for the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the gear icon to open your account settings. Inside the settings page, you'll see several pieces of information related to your account. This is where you'll find your transit number, which is also called the branch number, your institution number, and your account number. These three numbers are commonly required when setting up direct deposits, pre-authorized payments, or transferring funds between financial institutions. If you need a void check, you can also find an option on this page to download one. A void check contains the same banking information and is often requested by employers or companies when setting up automatic payments. One small tip before you share these numbers: double check that you're providing the correct information and only share your banking details with trusted organizations or people. And that's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe to Guides and Beyond for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.